tree, tree. The tall tree provided shade on hot summer days. Water, water. The clear water slowly flowed from the river. Sky, sky. The sky was clear and blue, with not a cloud in sight. Sun, sun. The sun shone brightly in the clear blue sky. Air, air. The air in the mountains was fresh. Flower, flower. The colorful flowers added beauty to the garden. Grass, grass. The green grass tickled my feet. Mountain, mountain. We climbed to the top of the mountain and enjoyed the view. Beach, beach. We walked along the sandy beach and collected seashells. Rain, rain. The gentle rain nourished the plants in the garden. Forest, forest. The dense forest was home to many different species of animals. Ocean, ocean. The vast ocean stretched out as far as the eye could see. Cloud, cloud. Fluffy white clouds drifted lazily across the sky. Earth, earth. Farmers planted seeds in the rich earth of the field. Rainbow, rainbow. After the storm, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. Like. Ducks swam peacefully on the calm surface of the lake. Pollution. Pollution. Factories in the city were a major source of pollution. Recycling. Recycling. We should recycle paper, plastic, and glass to help protect the environment. River. River. Fish swam in the clear river water. Valley. Valley. The valley was lush and green. Desert. Desert. The desert was hot and dry. Island. Island. We took a boat to a remote island and spent the day exploring it. Volcano. Volcano. The volcano erupted, sending plumes of ash and smoke into the sky. Cave. Cave. We explored the dark, damp cave with flashlights. Rainforest. Rainforest. The rainforest floor was lush with vegetation. Flood. Flood. The river overflowed, causing a flood. Nature. Nature. I love spending time in nature, surrounded by trees and birdsong. Environment. Environment. It's important to protect the environment by reducing pollution. Organic. Organic. We planted an organic garden in our backyard. Wildlife. Wildlife. We saw a lot of wildlife while hiking in the national park.